my one of spiritual mentors says that continue to give to grow, not to survive. Okay, and when you give, you grow. When you receive, then you may survive. So it is the fact that in business you continue to receive, but also the fact is that when you continue to give, you continue to grow. So remember and ask yourself, introspect that are you continuously growing? Let this disappointment from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Hey folks, hi everyone. Today I thought that I'll take you on another move, and today I have come at some place where it is specialized and it is known for the serenity. I know that few of people may be able to know, understand and recognize the place. It has nothing to do with the business or something, but the thing is that even though you are doing some business, I'm not sure whether how many of you are connecting with the fact that contribution is important when it comes to doing business. And why you need to do contribute? Because by contributing, you are adding the power to your business. Coming back to the again, you are adding power to your business so that you get more power to gain in your business. Because there is a philosophy most of the business network institute they follow. It is called as givers gain, and this is another philosophy which talks that what you give comes back, or what goes around comes around. And give to grow, that my one of spiritual mentors says that continue to give to grow, not to survive. Okay, and when you give, you grow. When you receive, then you may survive. So it is the fact that in business you continue to receive, but also the fact is that when you continue to give, you continue to grow. So remember and ask yourself, introspect that are you continuously growing? People are contributing in some other way or some different way, but the point over here is that, by the way, I'm loving the sky, I am loving the nature over here, loving the greenery. This is a wonderful place I have come today to visit, and my spouse birthday is coming, and I am just not finding, I think I won't be finding time, but I'm just trying to a day before trying to make some arrangements so that things will be done, and I to get my own time to continue to contribute in serving my community. Because community first, then family may come later, and then it's me. It's all about the mission, because mission has to be first, rest all next and last. I just thought that by coming over here, and will be sharing this one to my community inside. And in case at all, if you are able to connect with me properly and able to understand what I do, and if you are seeking, because I keep on getting message, sir, I want to get connected with you. In case at all, if you are part of my network, and at any point of time you feel like connecting with me, you feel like discussing with me something, I'm just a message away. You can send out message and we'll work together and see and figure out. By the way, the good news is that people have been calling me nowadays 24 hours coach, because they get to see the result in 24 hours. So I'm blessed to have such a specialization with me. I just wanted to let you know it's not about bragging about myself. This has been the fact. The students has been talking like that, and that's the reason I think that why only my students need to know. In fact, all of you need to know about it. And now if you have known it, just leverage it, my dear friend. Thank you so much. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach. Love, light, blessings. Bye bye. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.